Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the system section and then go to the reset options. Select the last option, erase all data factory reset, then tap erase all data and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.